Withdrawal process for Blove network. Step 1. Ensure that you have access to your Blove network account where your USDB, BLV, and BFIC cryptocurrencies are stored. This involves accessing the Blove network mobile application. Step 2. Once you have access to your Blove network account, navigate to the Wallet section and tap on Withdraw button. Step 3. In the Withdraw section, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and tap on Confirm button. Step 4. Provide the recipient's wallet address where you want to send the funds. Ensure that you copy and paste the address accurately to avoid any errors. Step 5. Specify the amount you want to send to recipient's wallet. 5% withdrawal fee will be applicable on each withdrawal. The withdrawal fee will be charged in USDB. Step 6. Before confirming the withdrawal, carefully review the transaction details. Verify that the selected cryptocurrency, withdrawal amount, and recipient address are all correct. Step 7. Click on the Confirm, Send, or similar button. You will be required to submit a one-time password to initiate the withdrawal.